Carnivore diet and intermittent fasting are the two most popular diet plans right now, with millions of followers seeking rapid and sustainable weight loss with other vital benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced heart and brain health, and a substantial increase in the lifespan. Interestingly, both these approaches have been endorsed by the Harvard Medical School in their recent publications related to nutrition and dietary health. But it is extremely important to know that which one of these eating approaches is best suited for you, as one of these diet plans may highly suit one person and not suit another person at all. So, today, in this video, Shape Squad is going to explain and elaborate the working, benefits, and potential risks of both these diet plans in detail for our viewers. And for your ease, we are going to do all this analysis in extremely simple language, with no fancy words or complex jargons, enabling you to make a well-informed decision and the right choice for your health and fitness journey. So what exactly are intermittent fasting and carnivore diet? Let's first explore this and then examine the benefits and the correct approach for both the diet plans afterwards. Intermittent fasting is a dietary routine where individuals alternate between periods of eating and not eating. This method focuses on the timing of meals rather than the content. It has gained massive popularity, with millions globally adopting it for its health benefits. Studies show that intermittent fasting leads to sustainable weight loss, improved metabolic health, and even enhanced brain function. The science behind intermittent fasting lies in its impact on the body's energy systems. During fasting, the body switches from using glucose for energy to burning stored fats, a process known as metabolic switching. This shift not only aids in weight loss, but also improves insulin sensitivity and stimulates cellular repair. There are several popular types of intermittent fasting, such as 1. The 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. This method is highly favored due to its simplicity and effectiveness. 2. The 5-2 diet involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. 3. Eat Stop Eat, which includes a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. This can be more challenging, but equally beneficial. Recent surveys indicate that a significant percentage of people trying to lose weight or improve their health have opted for intermittent fasting. In the United States alone, it's estimated that around 10% of the population is on some form of intermittent fasting, which is by far the biggest number for any diet plan. As far as the working of carnivore diet is concerned, it is an eating plan that involves consuming primarily animal products. It emphasizes meats, fish, eggs, and certain dairy products while excluding plant-based foods. This diet has been adopted by a growing number of people, attracted by its potential health benefits. Adherents claim benefits such as weight loss, enhanced mood, and improved digestive health. Scientifically, this diet is believed to work by reducing carbohydrate intake to almost zero, compelling the body to use fat as its primary energy source, a state known as ketosis. This process is similar to what happens in a ketogenic diet, but taken to an extreme by eliminating most carbs. Key aspects of the carnivore diet include 1. A focus on high-quality animal products like meat, fish, and eggs. 2. Elimination of all plant-based foods, which differentiates it significantly from other low-carb diets. 3. Consumption of fats and proteins while avoiding carbohydrates entirely. While comprehensive research on the carnivore diet is evolving, anecdotal evidence suggests that individuals experience significant weight loss and improvements in various health markers. In order to pick the best diet plan for ourselves, let's now examine the weight loss efficiency and the associated health benefits of both these diet plans, and the correct approach for each diet to reap the maximum results. Intermittent fasting works for weight loss primarily by altering the body's energy utilization process. When fasting, the body, deprived of its usual glucose from food, starts burning stored fats for energy, a process known as lipolysis. This metabolic shift not only aids in reducing body fat, but also improves insulin sensitivity, crucial for managing blood sugar levels. The reduced eating window on intermittent fasting naturally leads to decreased calorie intake, further supporting weight loss efforts. Besides weight loss, intermittent fasting offers several other health benefits. One significant advantage is improved metabolic health. By enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation, fasting can really help in managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. Moreover, fasting periods initiate cellular repair processes, like autophagy, where cells remove and recycle damaged components, contributing to better overall health. It enhances heart health by improving important risk factors such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and inflammatory markers. Brain health is another area where intermittent fasting shows a lot of promise. It may increase the brain hormone BDNF and aid the growth of new nerve cells, potentially protecting against Alzheimer's disease. Starting intermittent fasting effectively involves a gradual and mindful approach to ensure sustainable results. Firstly, choose a fasting method that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences, such as the 16-8 method or the 5.2 approach. Begin by gradually increasing your fasting window to allow your body to adapt comfortably. For example, if you're trying the 16-8 method, start with a shorter fasting period and gradually extend it. Start by delaying breakfast or moving dinner earlier to slowly extend your fasting window. It's crucial to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet during your eating periods. Focus on whole foods, including lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to ensure your body receives essential nutrients. Stay hydrated throughout the day, especially during fasting periods, as water can help manage hunger and maintain energy levels. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. If you feel unwell or excessively hungry, it may be necessary to shorten your fasting window or try a different fasting method. It's also important to maintain a regular eating schedule during your eating periods to stabilize your metabolism and manage hunger. Lastly, combine intermittent fasting with other healthy lifestyle practices, such as regular physical activity and adequate sleep, to maximize all the benefits. Now, for the rapid weight loss seekers, the carnivore diet aids in weight loss by significantly reducing carbohydrate intake, leading the body into a state of ketosis where fat becomes the primary energy source. This shift from glucose to fat metabolism results in rapid weight loss. Many individuals report losing weight quickly on this diet, often due to decreased calorie intake and the satiating nature of high-protein and high-fat foods. Beyond weight loss, proponents of the carnivore diet claim several health benefits. It's suggested that this diet can lead to improved blood sugar control, beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Additionally, the high-protein content supports muscle maintenance and growth, which is crucial for overall health and metabolism. Some followers also report improvements in digestive health, attributing it to the elimination of potentially irritating plant-based foods. Moreover, anecdotal evidence suggests that the diet improves mental clarity and mood, primarily due to stabilized blood sugar levels. Starting the carnivore diet effectively requires a strategic and gradual approach to ensure both adaptability and sustainability. Begin by slowly reducing the intake of plant-based foods and carbohydrates, while increasing your consumption of animal products. This gradual transition helps your body adjust to the new diet and can minimize potential digestive issues. Focus on high-quality animal products, including various meats, fish, eggs, and possibly dairy, depending on your tolerance. Diversity in your animal-based food sources can help ensure a broader intake of nutrients. It's also crucial to listen to your body's response to the diet and adjust accordingly. Some individuals may need to tweak their fat-to-protein ratios for optimal energy and satisfaction. Hydration is key. Ensure you drink plenty of water, as the carnivore diet can be naturally dehydrating. Additionally, monitor your electrolyte balance, particularly during the initial phase, as shifts in diet can impact mineral levels. And now, it's time to see which diet plan actually is the best among the two. While there are many success stories from people who have tried either intermittent fasting or the carnivore diet, some people have lost significant amounts of weight or improved their health, while others have struggled with the restrictions or experienced negative side effects. It ultimately comes down to your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. A carnivore diet may lead you to quicker weight loss results, but could be harder to maintain long-term due to its restrictive nature. By contrast, intermittent fasting can be incorporated into your daily life and is more sustainable over a longer period of time, but may not yield quick results like the carnivore diet. So, having in mind what you really want, based on all this analysis, you may choose the right diet plan for yourself now. But do take the opinion of your personal health consultant before making any significant change. If you already have tried any of these diet plans, do share your experience in the comments. Your opinion could be of great help for our Shape Squad community. And do you know what happens if you combine carnivore diet with intermittent fasting? Subscribe now to Shape Squad and find it out in our upcoming video. Press the like button if you found this video helpful, and do share it with your friends and loved ones.